In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Lovable AI account. Whether you're unlocking more advanced features or simply ensuring you have enough credits to keep your projects running smoothly, upgrading your account is a straightforward process. Grab your device and let's get started. First, you'll need to log into Lovable Dev. Use your preferred browser and head over to the Lovable AI website. Enter your login credentials, username and password, and hit enter. If you've set up two-factor authentication, make sure to complete that step as well. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your account dashboard, which is the central hub for all your activities and settings. Once you're successfully logged in and on the dashboard, navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This profile icon is your gateway to all the personal settings available on the site, and it's where you need to be to manage your account configurations. After clicking on your profile icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, click on Settings. You'll be redirected to a new page, specifically designed to let you tweak and manage a variety of settings related to your account. Here, you should see an option labeled Plans and Credits. Click on it to move forward. This section is your go-to spot for viewing available plans and credits, and for making any necessary changes to your subscription. Now, you'll be faced with a choice of plans. Whether you're looking at a standard option or something more premium, take a moment to review each choice carefully. Consider what best fits your needs. Perhaps you're aiming for more features or simply more credits. Once you've decided on the plan that suits you best, go ahead and click Upgrade. This action will prompt the system to initiate the upgrade process. The final step requires completing the payment. Enter your payment details as requested. Double-check the information to ensure accuracy. After all, you want to make sure everything is set up correctly. Depending on the payment method you choose, you might be asked for additional verification steps, such as a security code or email confirmation. Once all details are verified and submitted, the transaction will process, and your upgraded plan will be activated. And there you have it. Your Lovable AI account is now upgraded, enabling you to take full advantage of the features that come with your new plan. Thank you for following along, and I hope this walkthrough has made the process easy and clear. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Lovable AI's support team. Enjoy exploring the enhanced capabilities of your upgraded account.